Sichuan fine arts, where the colors sing. Every building's gotta sing, murals high and murals low. It's an art show on the go. Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color, this place is like no other. Walk down the lane, see art at play. Brushes in hand, they paint all day. From the walls to the doors, even the floors, creativity here soars. Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color, this place is like no other. Walk down the lane, see art at play. Brushes in hand, they paint all day. From the walls to the doors, even the floors, creativity here soars. Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color, this place is like no other. There's this and there's that, and there's that one there too. Every step you take, there's something new. A rainbow of this and that in every hue. At Sichuan Fine Arts, they got talent. Ain't the whole place gallant? Their wall shout out, take a photo of me. Oh yeah, I think I will. Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color, this place is like no other. So come on down, take a stroll. Let the colors capture your soul. In Sichuan Fine Arts, where the walls sing, you'll find coolness in everything.
So we're on this kind of main street where the Sichuan University of Arts is at. And one of the things you're going to see right away is a lot of cool artwork everywhere. Even into the alleys. And some people are eating down there, and there's also kind of interesting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be walking down this main street, and I'll just see what we can see as far as artwork goes. And we can also see these buildings up here. Even these ones over here have artwork on them as well. And the Sichuan Institute of Fine Arts is in this neighborhood. So you can also see these ones with artwork as well. So we're going to try to capture as much as we can. And just on this main street, which I guess is, that might be the street name. But we're going to explore. Okay, Sichuan Fine Arts School. So there's all this graffiti on the street, as you can see in the preview. You can see it up on the map, you can see exactly where we are. I do have some lyrics as well. I created the lyrics and then I fed it into an AI program to make the music. The lyrics are right here. And we have a lot more Chongqing videos to upload, 39 total. We're not even halfway there. So if you like it, subscribe and keep on viewing, because I have a lot more I'm gonna upload coming up. I'll try to put up one about every 5 days for the next few months at least. All right, Chongqing walk and talk time. Okay, so we're gonna just walk all the way up this main street right here. And I know this alley does look kind of interesting. You can see just the artwork on the building already. And there is stuff inside this alley, but we're gonna see stuff all along the way. So why don't we just kind of start exploring a little bit. Let me move over to the side. Delivery driver, motorcycles. So now you can see some of the artwork. And it looks like you can even go inside some of these. Chongqing. So I don't know if you can go up to the top, but it looks like you might be able to. Let me just kind of see what this is exactly. Wow. Super cool. Huh. That's going to continue down our road, but music could affect the video. Let's see what this is. Oh wow. I think this is pretty cool little place. Huh. So I didn't expect this at all. So we're gonna just keep on exploring though, because I want to keep on our main street here, showing you more. But I did not expect this at all. Yeah, Chongqing is just hidden with all kinds of cool surprises anyways. This kind of goes on. There's even a public bathroom in here. The WC. And now you can see some of the artwork on the wall up on the buildings up there too. So yeah, it's just endlessly fascinating, this city. Absolutely love it. So, okay, so we're gonna head back out. There's even a kitchen right in here too. Okay, so we're gonna head back out. I did not expect that at all. I love the photography here too. Yeah, you gotta love like art institutes and artists and visual media. It's so amazing. The detail to that painting right there. Okay, so we got to keep on going down our street because this was our goal. But as you can see, we're gonna get distracted by all kinds of cool stuff everywhere. We also are in Sichuan, so we got lots of spicy food and pandas. Well, we're in Chongqing, but I mean, culturally. Okay, so we got more. Let me just kind of capture this whole edge a little bit. So those public toilets, I think those were the ones that we saw down there. So we're actually went into the back space of that. There's a kid with his bike. Oh, there's even artwork up there too. You can see the artwork of these statues. I mean, of these portraits. I see this a lot in Chongqing. People will carry this wooden stick, like a bamboo stick. Oh, check that out. You can see the artwork on that side of the building. Two hands reaching out. Dog, not bombs. Stay with me. A lot of English on this one. Only art can save people. Ah, this is the this is in downtown Chongqing. That little monument. A lot of people take photos of that. Myself included. And these are some of the buildings over here with all the artwork on them. We'll keep on strolling down. Even these have little pieces of artwork on them. And the flower pots. Okay. Nice balconies up there. And let's just kind of see. So we can actually go upstairs. We're not going to do that, of course. We're going to stay down on our focus. If you look up, you got more artwork. You get bunnies, different stuff. Hello. How are you? See you guys. That's kind of cool. No shortage of cool artwork here. And then if you look up, okay. So we'll keep on walking. It's kind of a bunny theme here. There's another guy with a stick. So a lot of people have the stick. I think they carry, oh, here's the place to sit, but they'll carry something with that stick. So I think they put it on their shoulder and then it's like balanced, is what I think. Gift laboratory. So we got just kind of a cool spot, Chongqing. More artwork, more artists. Lots of artwork above us, but I'm just gonna take a camera lens going this way. Oh, you got Korean as well. Somebody wrote some Korean on there. Osewoon? Somebody's Korean name. Okay. So we will keep on walking down. There's a graffiti-free building right here, which is funny because it looks kind of locked up. Then we got some more artwork over on that side, so I'm going to angle over there a little bit. Might need to... There we go. That's some pretty cool artwork right there. What we need. And then we're going to get some more artwork over here too. Dun, 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 dun. So they even paint these boxes as well, right? So we're gonna keep on walking down. I'm just gonna capture, kind of curious to walk down some of these side streets and to see if they go deep into it or not. Or if they focus, I know they focus on the main street. I mean on the, around the university. But I'm kind of curious if they also go down a little bit further into different areas. I think this is the possible entrance to the university. Oh, artwork. Sorry. There's another TF Boys reference over there. TF. Fine. Sichuan Institute of Financial Arts, TF. So that's the entrance. I need to get my umbrella ready. So I guess you need a card to go in. There we go. So that's the entrance. Oh, sometimes you look the other way and you see more artwork. Some nice stuff on that big tall building on the end. So we're gonna see what this is all about to the right here. Feels like we're gonna have like little caverns of... Oh, okay, this must be some kind of university building. I was looking at the reflection and I was seeing that yellow elephant from that side. Dead Books. That's kind of a cool creative name. To look down as well because you might see some like different interesting stuff that people might even do on the ground as well. Man, what a cool place. And actually we've already run up to like, I've already kind of hit where I usually like to end a video. So, but we're gonna go around the corner because I want to see what's up there. No end of cool, interesting stuff around here. Looks like you can sit in these spots. We got a chair here. This looks like one of those spots too where people will just, anybody can buy the paint and just paint. And I think this is going to come out to the end of the... Basically have a wall here and then there's a bunch of construction. They're painting on a construction building a little bit. Let's just go around and see what the edge is. And then you got views. Looks like a factory over there. 501 Art Base is over there. Oh, okay. So it looks like this just comes around to the side of the university. And it looks like we could just keep walking down here and there's more artwork, but I think it's going to be a little bit of the same. And there's a giant wall for the university. Everything's built in the hills, as you can see. So I think I'm going to come back and look for a place to film, kind of in the heart of everything. But there's like lots of other stuff up here too. Chongqing Art Park, that sounds kind of cool. Graffiti Art Street. So it looks like there is stuff this direction as well. So there's artwork over there too. I'm gonna walk over there. I just want to see if this is like a through street or what this is. Art creation base. So it looks like, so that's our street right there. And I just want to bring the camera in here real quick. And I'm gonna end the video. I just want to see what's around the corner, and then I promise we're gonna end it unless we see something so amazingly cool that I won't be able to resist. I think I did see something so amazingly cool. Yep, I did. I'm seeing the river. So yeah, the river's right down there. And you got lots of artwork on here too. And it looks like it ends right there. Wow, okay. So that's a pretty good ending. Impressive. Hope you like that one.